Everyone, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where this absolutely kills me. Here's the backstory. Homeowner just bought this place, asked me to take a look at the siding, tell him what's going on with it. So I show up and I see this, and I see that, oh yeah, the trim has just been painted. So here's what happened. Somebody hired a painter to paint the trim around this place. What they did was to clean the trim, they just squirted chlorine bleach all over it, taking no precautions to prevent that stuff from dribbling down all over the cedar. These bright spots aren't clean. These are just chemically burned. And this is all around the house. If you're cleaning white trim around natural cedar shingles, there's no reason to use chlorine bleach. There's better options available. Here's a video linking, showing you how that's done, or one way to do it without the use of this type of chemical.